Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you're all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this little cute rainbow elephant. So let's get started. To make this elephant rainbow, I am using this 4mm cotton cord. And to wrap, I am using this 4mm grey color cord. And to increase the width, I am using 3 cords like this and gathering them. And now I will wrap them by the grey color cord like this. Here you can see I just wrapped these 2 sets first, and these are 13 inches in length. The covered area is 10.5 inches and you will be needing 70 inches of grey color cord 4mm to wrap this 10.5 inches of area. So here all the cords are wrapped. This is 16 inches of length and the covered area is 13 inches. Then second is 14.5 inches and the covered area is 11.5 inches. Third is 12.5 inches and the covered area is 10 inches. Fourth is 11.5 inches and the covered area is 8.5 inches. And the last one, you can see I covered it whole from till the end. It's 10.5 inches almost, and the covered area is 9 inches. So these are the 5 cords I just wrapped for the rainbow part, and the other 2 cords are here. These are for ears and we have already measured it. Length, it's 13 inches long. Once all the cords are wrapped, now it's time to shape them. We'll shape them like this, and we can attach them by the help of a hot glue gun, or we can sew them also. And this last cord which I covered till the end, we will going to make a snout for the elephant. Like this, we will attach it like this. For the ears, I am using this 13 inches length cord, and I am going to fold it like this, and then we'll place it under this like this, and I am going to just glue them here. And to make the eyes, you need to cut small pieces of black cord and place them like this. So we just completed our project today. I hope you love this very cute rainbow elephant. Please like, share and subscribe my channel if you like this video. Until the next video, take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.